I knew Vijay since, I think, from 1998 onwards. In fact, my introduction to the field of microfinance is through Friends of Women's World Banking. I was part of the first group of trainers who worked with the large 5 MFIs in India in terms of their strategic business planning and training and leadership training and things like that. And that opportunity came to me through FWWB. I went back to FWWB in 2007, 8, 6, 9 or 7, 9 as the head of its research when it constituted the research. I think I definitely owe it to Friends of Women's World Banking, my interest in understanding the issues of gender and finance, gender and credit, and Vijay's very constructive role played in terms of helping the smaller players in the sector. I think she proactively shaped a kind of a constituency within the financial sort of a sector in India. That is definitely seen by the kind of remembrances which came after her passing away. Like most of it actually came from very small sort of organizations who were really sort of solely depending upon FWWB's hand-holding and support and things. And I think I personally gained a lot because microfinance wouldn't have opened up to me as an independent researcher, but I got entry into 122 or 23 of their partners through the research function that I was heading. And I think I definitely sort of I made my own lessons out of it. But I think the platform that Vijay and FWWB provided really was personally extremely rewarding to me, and I also could see the what do you call it, the white, blacks and greys of the microfinance in this country through that association. I really wish that she was alive, because this is exactly the time when the sector needs someone like. Someone who understands the agonies and pangs of the small players in the market. And I think I definitely remember. I think I was I went for her cremation. I also attended a prayer meeting afterwards, and I think I definitely remember her very fondly and with great sort of solidarity and camaraderie.